Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Yamaha YDS-150 digital saxophone and you want to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. Number one would be troubleshooting. If everything's just nothing's acting right on it and the different configurations that you've got set for it don't seem to be responding the way they're supposed to, it's bugging, it's lagging and stuff like that, or it's making odd sounds, you can go ahead and do a hard reset. You will need to set up all your configurations again because it will be reset to the factory defaults like when it came out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or you're buying a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start and have this like it was when it came out of the box, we can do this. The first thing we need to do is just make sure we turn it off, so we can hit the power button to turn it off. And then, as shown here, we're going to hit the keys 1, P, and 3 simultaneously, and then turn the saxophone on while holding those keys. And that will have it turn on in its initialized factory default settings.